Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our review on one of the best thriller movies.
Yes, and that is Ratsasan.
Yes.
So ever since we have seen this movie, we already promised to all of you that we will be giving our reaction
Yes.
or review on this movie particularly.
Right. And last weekend we have watched this movie.
Yes, and that was like outstanding. So we'll be elaborate on this and we'll be giving our review
Full
on the
review.
movie, full review on this movie. So first of all, we'll be saying that this movie we have seen in Hindi dubbed version,
Yes.
and the name of the movie is Main Hoon Dandahi Kari.
Yes.
Okay, so we have seen this movie in YouTube.
Right.
But it is available in, I think, Amazon Prime or
Maybe we haven't searched.
we have
that
not
one,
searched that,
but we
so
found
you
Hindi
can
dubbed
definitely
in
see.
YouTube.
Yes. So those who have not watched this movie yet, our review is for them also, and also to them whoever have already watched,
Yes.
because
Actually,
they can relate.
We know that this is a pretty old movie. It's
Not that
around
much old,
1 year
around
old.
1 year old.
And most
Yes.
of you have seen this movie, and might be people maybe think, or they will tell that why you are giving a review in an old movie.
No, the thing is like we have gotten request also, and ever since we have seen this movie,
Yes.
we are very excited.
Right.
And also people want us to make a series where we can give our reaction or review on the
Review on
complete
complete
movie,
movies also.
or complete any kind of dance video or
Right.
singing video or whatever it is. So that's
Yes.
why we are thinking, okay, let's get started
And
with this
obviously
kind of
this is
video.
new for us also.
New,
This movie totally new for us, and really we were amazed with this
we are
movie.
amazed, like we were thinking at a certain point of time, like this movie should go to for Oscar.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is outstanding concept, and okay, let's get started with the review now. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also
Yes.
please click on the notification bell. So chalo, let's get started.
Yeah.
So at the starting point of the movie, we see that one abandoned lash, dead body, was there, and that is the start of the thrill.
Yes.
Okay, and that was very rotten and
Rotten
very
type of,
distorted.
It distorted, and it was wrapped
It was
within
wrapped in the
a
plastic packet.
Yes.
So after this is the starting of the movie, and slowly we can get to understand that the hero,
Yes, that
who,
Vishnu Vishal.
his name is Inspector Arun in this
Yes.
movie, and he wants to become
A director
I
that
think.
wanted to direct some thriller kind of
movies, and that is why he has gathered a lot of information
a lot from you can say from not from only India. He has
outside
gathered
India.
all the information from outside India,
Yeah.
from any part of world. He has gathered each and every information he has gathered and put inside the wall of his room.
But unfortunately, he didn't become a director because of the money problem and
most of
the financial activities and kind of stuff.
No, actually what has happened, most of the producer he approached, they were not financing, they were not ready to take his movie
or his
ideas, you can
So,
say. And he's also presenting same kind of movie also, that thriller kind of.
He wants to direct this kind of movie. So
Yes.
after that, he became the police officer. So in the meantime, the police department has found a little more cases of the dead bodies, and all of them are from some children, school going girls.
Mostly
and
they found like that only.
And
Yes.
what the killer is doing is he is killing in a very horrifying way.
Too
He
much
is
horrifying.
cutting the throats, or doing several cuts on the face, and break the teeth and whatnot. This
lot
is
of
very
thing he is doing. It's very tough to any normal people can see that body.
See that body, and any normal killer also cannot do.
We have seen that the doctor itself, he was not able to see that body.
He was crying. He told
was
that
also
I
crying.
was crying at the time of postmortem. So in the meantime, some more suspense will come, and the whole scenario of the story, and the film was very heart touching, you can say, and
film
horrifying also at the same time.
Film was like that we can't move out from our laptop also.
Yes, that is true.
We were thinking how to watch this
Almost
movie.
3 hours movie.
Almost 3
but not a single second you can move, or you can think about some other thing. You will be like totally indulged to this movie,
that movie,
and you will be addicted. Okay,
Right.
this kind of situation has happened with us. We were very like like we are thinking like what would be the
Yes.
next thing, who is the
Right.
killer, and
And
how he will
right.
catch him. So
Exactly.
this
And
is
catching
so good.
all process was whatever the police they were also doing, that was also brilliant job.
Yes, yes.
And also
They
the
literally has to
experience
decode. They literally has to decode the
pattern,
pattern
or
and everything, like how
what he is doing, what will be his next
next
step.
move. Yes. So this is a very thriller concept,
Yes.
you can
And also,
say,
and
and
also whatever the Arun, whatever the research he has done in the beginning,
Yeah.
that helped them
helped
a
him
lot.
a lot. And we heard that whatever research he has done, or whatever picturization and the images of the criminals has shown in this movie are truly true.
Truly, yes.
Are true only. So 100% true only. They have used the pictures and everything in the very first of the movie. They have shown in the movie, no, that
Yes.
Arun was researching about the
A lot of the
criminals,
crimes,
lot of the crimes.
psycho
He was
killers.
like distinguishing that what can be the psycho killer's motive and all.
Yes.
That pictures are 100% real. We have
Okay.
researched also a little bit about this
Yeah.
movie, so we got to know from there. So after that, at the very end, we'll be get to knowing about the killer, and he is nothing but a person who is having some mental sickness, and he is also having some disease.
From my side, I'm thinking this movie is one of the best thriller movie in Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu,
And also
not only in Tamil Nadu.
all over the India, you can say. I think
Yes.
we don't have this kind of thriller movie in Bollywood
Yes,
also.
yes. So this movie is having romance. This movie is having emotions,
Yes.
thrills, then a little bit of horrifying contents, which can be a disturbing element for you. So this is a complete, you can say, a package,
package,
but not a family
Yes,
content.
right. And but don't watch this movie with children.
With children.
Yes.
Don't watch this movie with children. Yeah.
And they will get too much scare also. So
No,
it's,
this is not a children
right.
movie. So yes, and definitely this is a 10 on 10. I can give more than 10.
Right.
Okay, so
Definitely this is 10 on 10.
Yes.
And also while researching about this movie as well, we found that
Ayushmann Khurrana.
this movie is going to be a remake in Bollywood as well. I think Ayushmann Khurrana will do the
remake version of it.
Vishnu Vishal, whatever the
Police officer.
he was there.
Yes,
that
yes.
he is going to play that role.
That role. The Indian Express has published
Right.
this thing. We are not sure about it, so we are
So I
not
think
guessing.
they have published,
published.
and then
So,
they have done some research also.
yeah. So that is the main concept of the movie. If you have not seen the movie yet, you just go and check that movie. And I
Yes.
think people who already have watched this movie can definitely relate to the
Relate.
concept. Whatever we are saying in front of you are
Yes.
right or wrong or what. Like you can definitely share
Definitely,
your
yes.
point of view or your reaction with us only in the comment section. And
Yes.
those who have not watched this movie, just go and check, and you will love this movie.
You will love this. Surely.
Okay, this is a Oscar, kind of like Oscar winning movie, you can say.
Yeah.
Because the whole concept was like totally Hollywood wala touch hai isme.
Yeah.
Right? And
Concept-
also Hollywood
right.
director also have approached and try to do the remake of that. I think some of our viewers only have told this thing in the
Then
comment
it's,
section.
really because
Yeah.
this movie concept is such a beautiful you
Beautiful
can
concept,
say.
yeah.
And also whatever the suspense they have created,
My
you will
God.
not be able to think who is the exact killer if you don't watch till the end.
Yeah. This is the actually peak point. Peak point suspense you will get. I got goosebumps sometimes. I was like, I have to go to the bathroom, but I couldn't go because I was like, no, I have to finish this movie till the end, and I have to see who is the
Yes, of course,
criminal.
this is-
Because at some point of time, I thought, okay, I think the father of Ammu is the criminal.
Killer.
You thought that
Yes.
the police officer
Police
is the
officer.
criminal. Sometimes I thought, okay, the lady that lady, that's a
And
school
also
teacher,
even
she
police
is the
also.
criminal. I couldn't understand also.
Even
the
police officer, they also thought somebody else. They
Somebody
catch
else.
somebody else.
Yes,
right?
yes.
That
There
I
is
think
a-
there was only school master.
Yeah,
or
school
something
master.
else.
There is a point when we got to see that the school master is doing some nasty things with the
Yes.
girls. So we thought, okay, at
I think
some
lot
point of
of-
time
lot
he
of-
is the
lot of
criminal.
twist is there.
This kind of suspense they have created and
yes.
twist. So this is hacks of content, and we are very proud of this movie.
Yes. I loved
Loved.
each moment of this movie.
Yeah, so we are very proud of it, and this is a 10 on 10 from
Yeah,
our side.
of course, 10 on 10.
Yeah, so that was it for today's video. I really hope that you will like this content, and
Yes.
it can be a helpful content for you. Those who have not watched this movie can be helpful this content, so
Yes.
that you can guys have an idea
Right.
that what kind of content
And also
is this,
people
and
people who have
yeah.
watched this movie, they can relate and relate their thought with our thoughts also.
yes. So that is the very big thing. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.